Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will learn how to make this curved line animation. This is inspired from CRED application. So let's get started. Press F. I will go to this Android small. This is our frame. I will select this frame and press Command D to duplicate. I will change the width 90, 9090. Select this thing. Go here. Press this button to create a component. For this to create a variant. Now you can see the distance is less. So I will select this and then change this area somewhere around 250. That would be enough space. Okay, so now here I will create one rectangle. Press R and then shift and then create one rectangle here like this. All right, it's almost completed. Fine. Now I will press Command C and then select this frame, this variant, and then you can see that it's coming out of this. So just select this frame, increase the height so you can see how much it is there. So in this frame it is here. In this rectangle should go to the top, so just drag, make it to the top till here and press shift and the up keys to move it up. For this, shift and down key to move it down. All right, select both of them, unclip it so that you can see both of them here. I will select both of them and change the color something to like this. Fine. Now I have to go to prototyping. So select the prototype settings, select this frame. You have to select this plus button, not this one. Remember, click and drag to the frame, to this variant, and change on click to after delay from delay to 1 millisecond, and animation should be smart animate. Ease out is fine. Change this thing to 1000. This thing to 1000, that would be better, and select this variant back to the default one after delay, something around 800 millisecond or maybe 1000 would be fine. Smart animate to instant, you don't need to have that instant here. Now if we select this, Command C here, Command V, and we play this animation like preview, ho ja bhai. Right, so you see this is happening. Well, now the actual thing will start. So let's keep it like this. We'll create one rectangle here. Press R and then make a rectangle like this. Make sure it's on top, so press this button. Okay, now press L. From here press the L button so we can create one line. Remember, this line should be 90 degrees. Why minus 90? Okay, 90 is fine, and make it on the center so that we can edit properly. Now double click it so you will get this thing. Press on this and then move it to down like this. This much is fine. Now select this one and move it to this. Shift and right, oh sorry, this key, basically left key. Now press Command and then press this. This will make it in a curve. Command and that, remember. So now I will just press Command and adjust the curve so that it looks like this. Okay, I'm pressing Command and doing this thing, so remember that thing, and I will just adjust it like this so that we have the line. I will make the width of this line to be 3 so that it's more visible. Now select this line again, Command D, duplicate it. I will just quickly adjust the lines, so give me some time for this. So now I have selected I have made the changes in the line. Select this lines, Command D, make it, move it till here, press Shift and H to flip it horizontally, and then you have a horizontal duplicate line for those things. I will press this frame, and it's not because it's not a part of this frame, that's why it is not getting clipped. So select all of them, press press command X so that it's all cut, and then select this frame and command V, so everything is in perfect place. Okay, this rectangle is here and that is here. Select this rectangle, then all the lines by pressing. So I did it by pressing this shift and then this. That's how I selected this all. Got it. Now I will go here, this thing. Okay, Boolean operations. I press this and use subtraction. So you can see, I can see there's a cut here. That's how we are going to do it. Select this frame again. You can see our rectangle, the previous rectangle is still there. So I will just adjust it to barely comes to that side, right? One more thing, go here and select both of them and clip it. Got it. Now select this frame and animate. You can see that line is going there. That's what we want, right? Now we will do it for all the other basically all the other lines, but for this, before that we do this, I will select this and duplicate it. All right, now for each of this thing, I will just unclip it and change the colors to something different, like this might be orange. For this thing, I will unclip it, select them and make this thing to probably the blue. This, unclip it, select this and change it to maybe this. I don't like this thing. Whatever the color you choose, it's up to you. All right, so then this is done. Now just change the timeline so it has a random effect. I will change this 1000 to 100 for this. I guess this is prototype. Yeah, this from 1000 to 200. Remember, I'm choosing the going back to the default state. All right, sorry, default. Yeah, this thing to be 400. That might be enough. And also change this thing to from 1000 to maybe 550. Any random number is fine. All right, and then unclip all of them again, all of the variant. Unclip it. Now what you oh, all right, now what you have to do is select all the default variant like this and adjust it to the lines like this. And press this button so that it goes behind. I will just quickly do this thing for you guys. All right, so now we will play this thing. Yeah, we got it. One more thing, because it doesn't matching with that CRED application, I will change the subtract to the gradient, like something more interesting, maybe like right, the top part is like this. I will, okay, now you can see that there is a very white lines behind this. I don't like this. The reason is because all of them have the color, so choose them, go here, select the multiple area, and remember I select this and then press that button. So here in this fill area, go here, change the opacity to 0. Do it with for all the other elements that we have. All right, now okay, for this thing you have to change this also to the 0. Oh, change this thing to black. Let's play this thing. So now you can see this is kind of near to that CRED application effect. However, there are some problems which, if you see from here and then focus there, it looks amazing. However, you can update this thing, like maybe change the maybe I will just a 1A 1A 1A. Let's you do change from this for this to some other color or something, like this color would be fine. This is kind of fine to me. Do this thing to radio, so it has this effect. See, whatever the effect you want, it's up to you. I'm just giving you some ideas here. So now if you compare with the CRED application, it's very similar to that effect. Thanks for watching, and thank you for 1000 subscribers. Next, I'm planning to make a fire animation. This requires no plugin, no spline. Should I make this animation or not? Write it down in comment below, and this will help me to decide. Or if you want something else, please tell me that in comments. Thank you very much.